Today I want to show you this puzzle from AliExpress. Very well packed, protected. It comes with a bag. Okay, here's a QR code. Very nice. And here's a very soft. This side is protected. Okay. Now let me try it. Oops. Looks. It's a table for magician. Basically fold like this way and fold the other way. So and it closes all like this. So let me give you a closer look to the structure. You can see in the middle there are vertical hinges and there are also some horizontal hinges. As soon as the horizontal part falls down and the middle part will open automatically because there is a spring in the vertical hinges. I'm very happy with the quality of the table. The tabletop is covered with fabric like velvet and it works perfectly. But the price is a little bit high, I think. Anyway, I'm happy with that. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye!